The QR code is about to revolutionize everything. The beverage, food, personal care, construction, industrial, and beyond. Are your printing capabilities ready? Because change isn't static, it's variable. It's time to unlock the power of a GS1 2D code, providing access to personalized, brand-controlled information, such as promotional offers for consumers, stock rotation control for retailers, and serialization for manufacturers on individual items or batches of products, allowing for uncluttered packaging by including variable data for lot codes, serial numbers, product descriptions, websites, recycling information, and more, providing more visibility for the brand. This simple, compact 2D code benefits everything from supply chains to sustainability, waste reduction, authentication and anti-counterfeiting, traceability, and consumer engagement. Sometimes one change changes everything. QR codes powered by GS1, printed and verified by Domino.